Alright, this will be a rundown, a little bit better. Everybody whined about my last video because I didn't have a tripod set up. Okay, this is the Ruger pc9. There are, like, I believe 3 different versions now. We're also going to run through some amend2 mags, the stock Ruger adapter that comes in there. I mean, you know what a maglula is, speed loader, but I've got some amend2 mags loaded. But let's start with a rifle. Okay, rifle. Hopefully you can see it in frame. Anyway, I've had it a few weeks now, and I've put more than a few hundred through it. Alright, it's a takedown, just like the 1022, but you gotta have this, you know, okay. Jesus, the breech locked open. Okay, just pull the lever forward, turn, take it apart. More dog hair. Anyways, so that's what you have there. Okay, it's just easy to clean, easy to store, stick it in your bag, do whatever. Okay, well, we have this apart. We're gonna go through a little bit about what you get. Okay, the only thing you get with this, obviously it's got the fixed stock. You get 3 of these spacers total. There's 1 in there right now. Here's the 2 others. You get the Allen keys to swap out your Glock adapter or your stock Ruger. Stock Ruger, it's just in, it comes with, it's an SR9 17 round, which is fine. But I grabbed these amend2s, 34 rounders. So far so good. I've put more than a few rounds through them. They're made in the USA. They've got a lifetime warranty. Same with the rifle. Made in the USA. Lifetime warranty. I cannot say the same for the optic. It's just a firefield. I think it was like 35 bucks or something at Sportsman's Guide. But you got your red and green reticles, and then your different patterns. You know, if you want the dot, the crosshair, or the circle with the dot in it, the crosshair with the dot. Okay, the barrel fluted, heavy barrel. It is threaded. Hopefully you can see that, threaded. Got a little adapter here, so I just threw my tack light on there. Does come with iron sights, which are fine. They work great. I shot just fine at 25 and 50 yards with them. What else about the rifle? All right, with the rifle, real quick, we're gonna take it apart here. I'm gonna show you how just simple and easy taking the Glock out and the SR or versus the stock Ruger. Okay. What you do, you got 2. These do not come all the way out. They're only, you know, they'll always stay in the gun. Like, that's all the way out in the gun, in the stock. So all you do, take that out. Okay. Beware of your pins on the side. I haven't had them ever fall out. Okay, so now you just set this here. That's your, obviously, your firing mechanism. This is your Glock adapter. All you're doing is pushing the mag release, pushing it up, pulling it out. With the Ruger, there's a little tab, and easy, especially if you put it in the right way. Oh, duh. I don't have that pushed. Just drops in, locks. Okay, now the SR9, the Ruger mag, locks right in. Right, pretty simple. Take that out. To take this out, the Ruger, push this. Got a little spring set in here. It's no big deal. It's the mag catch that you're pushing. Okay, I'm gonna put the Glock back in. You don't have to push anything except for the mag release. Now it's set in there. Okay, like this. Drop this back in. Set it upside down. And where the hell did my Allen key go that I... Oh, it's right there. What I'm doing is screwing this back in. I mean, you can tear down, obviously, the trigger further. I'm hoping that Fostech or Franklin will come out with their binary trigger for this, like they did for the 1022. I have contacted them. Of course, I'm one person. If you have a Ruger pc9 and you'd like that binary trigger, that would be pretty awesome. All right, put this back in, just like a Ruger 1022. It's locked. Okay. All right. Release. Now you can drop your extended mag. Say you prefer one. Okay. Make sure the gun's on safety. We know nothing's in the breech anyways right now. Okay. So there's the rifle. I haven't had any issues. I've put several hundred through it. I mean, I've shot this Blazer aluminum casing. I have shot the typical, you know, the cheap box. I did put some Winchester 147 hollow points through here too. This one here I haven't. So that's what we're going to shoot today real quick. It's just this Max Tech. And as you guys know, if you're in 9mm, shit's getting hard to find. So anyway, the amend2 mag. I went to look. Obviously, I was trying to find, you know, something a little cheaper than just the stock Glock mags, which are, locally, you know, they're $32 to $35 a piece. Okay, and they don't hold 34. These guys here seem to be great. They are out of Idaho, and they did a great job. It was $53 for 3 of these shipped. I did have some discount code. Another fella had a discount code to put on there, so you save 20%. Would have been 60 some dollars otherwise. But we'll load up some of this Max Tech, and where's my other? Oh, duh, it's in there. Okay, which one did I put in there? I put in the cheap ammo. Okay, so we'll shoot some of these. This is full of the aluminums. Yeah, as you can see, it's all aluminum all the way down to the bottom. Do have the little peepholes. Okay, made in the USA. Locks in. It does jiggle, but I haven't had it fall out. But I'm not going to load these all the way. Well, I'll load them all the way. Just show you that they do hold 34. Okay, we're starting with a full box of 50. And it feels like you're not going to be able to get them. Let me see this. Let's see. So it's easier for me when they're in my hand versus trying to pull them out one by one. There's 5. I hate trying to pull these out of here. I'm just going to throw all my bullets in a bucket. That way I can get them out faster. Instead of trying to get them out of these little things. Oh, you bastard. I'd be better off just dumping them all. Alright, how many is that? We got 10, 20. Okay, we're only going to have 17 left. Anyway, good enough. Start loading. If you've never used a mag lube, they're easy. You just push, lift, push, lift, push, lift. Forgive me, hands are sweaty. It is about 94 degrees here in Michigan today. So everything's a little bit humid, everything's sweaty. I'm not going to shoot all 34 of these because, like I said, I've been having a hard time trying to find 9mm. Been having to travel upwards of 50 miles just to find some. Alright, we're going to have 17 left in here. Okay, so you'll see there's 17, so this will be all 34. There you go. Loaded all the way up to the 34, little indicator. Hopefully you can see it. We shoot a couple of these Blazer aluminum. I've got a 25 yarder and then a 50 yarder set. I'll move this. Hopefully you can still see. So like I said, everybody got a little pissy with me. The last time I was, see, like, god damn it. Like, there goes my, we're gonna pause this. I gotta reset this bastard. Alright, I think I've got it reset at least a little bit. 25 yard target is on the bottom, just that white 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. This freaking tape, it's so hot the tape is coming unstuck. Anyways, here's the rifle, and then here's that. Okay, the cheap, that maxed. Trying to stay out of the sun so everybody can see. And like I said, I'm not shooting all this because it is hard to find. But you can see, like I said, I already showed you what you get when you buy it. This here, we're going to rack one in. Okay, now it's loaded. And we'll see how this ammo does. Hopefully my head's just going to slip in the way. Oop, maybe we don't like that ammo. Didn't even hit it. Alright. Again, I haven't tried that ammo yet in here. Alright, you can see 5-shot group right there. I'll put this one back in here once. Should be my second shot. There's one in the pipe right now. And we'll go out to the 50-yarder. I don't know if you can see it on here, but I'm shooting through a little brush. Yep, it's that same round again. What is going on? Oh, you cotton picker. Oops, sorry, that's a bad phrase. What in the fuck? It is stuck. Well, that ain't no good. Look at that shit. So much for using the aluminum casing. I don't know if you can see that. It is literally stuck in there. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to get that out of there. And I'll shoot the brass. That ain't cool. Good thing I only bought a box of it. Alright, I'm back. Only took a second. Had to run in and grab a plier. I don't know why that particular round is sticking. I don't know what my camera's focusing on right now. But we're going to pitch that to the side. We're going to put regular brass in here, this maxed. Again, I've never shot the maxed before. Put this in there, lock it in. That's a stupid sling. I want to get a single point, but I didn't have one at the store yesterday that I wanted. Wanted a bungee style with the quick release. And they didn't have it. Alright, well anyway, this will give you another idea of a different magazine. Second amend. And we'll lock that one in there. We'll just shoot it to 25 again. I don't know what's up with that stuff. I'm going to try that with my pistol here as soon as we're done. It'll be off camera, but let's see. I'm just going to aim for the middle. Okay, that has a failure to feed. Of course, now it did that. Let's see if we have another one. Maybe I will shoot this whole magazine. I'm curious. Another one? Wonder if it's the magazine. I haven't had a problem with the magazines yet. Pop that one out of there. Let's pop this magazine in there. Okay. Forgive me. Just move my table a little closer. I'm uncomfortable. I'll fail to feed on that one. put the aluminum back in. Let's pull that other brass out. Let's put this aluminum back in. See if it's just that one aluminum. Because for some reason that one got stuck twice and the other ones didn't. I've got still 20 in here. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be shooting all of them. Lock one in, dumbass. There you go. And now my reticle has disappeared. Hey, there it is again. Where the fuck did you go, friend? Excuse me, where did you go? No, it disappeared again. What in the God's green earth? Might have a bad battery, but okay. Put it on red. And there's red. Does lock open. God damn it, I didn't put my earplugs in. Well, anyway, obviously it's not the gun. I'll do a little bit more on these amend2 mags. I don't see a problem. I don't know why all of a sudden, what do I have here? Well, I got the cheap again. Let's just see. Okay. I don't know what the deal is with the reticle disappearing on the green setting. Not exactly cool. I guess that's what you get when you get a cheap reticle or optic. Keep shooting right at that same little hole. There you go. You know what? Let's do something here. Let's see if it's that magazine. Come on, you hooker. You can see. I'm gonna pause this again. No, I'm not. We're gonna play this. We're just gonna stuff these into this other magazine. These are the ones that already are creased. Probably not the greatest idea, but I don't really care at this point in my life. Alright, these are the three we had an issue with. And we'll just, that one didn't have an issue. I'm not putting that aluminum thing in here again because I'm not getting it stuck in my barrel again. And grab some. Okay, it was this ammo. 3, 4. I'll just throw 4 more in here. Now, if it's this magazine, I don't know it's this magazine. This magazine is in question. I'm going to mark that. I don't have a marker out here. Let's leave this up there. Alright. Let's load one in. Okay. It's that one magazine. I'll try that one later off screen and later, and I'm going to check out this reticle too, put a new battery in it. Has nothing to do with the rifle, obviously. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Wanted to try to do a review an all-in-one on these mags, the rifle, that optic. Anyway, we'll see. You can see the rifle works fine, does what it's supposed to do, as long as you're, I mean, I've put some dirt cheap ammo in this thing, and that aluminum I just happened to find yesterday, and like I said, there's not a lot around to find, so I just grabbed it. I only grabbed one box. I grabbed 400 rounds of the Browning, just the brass, but that Max stuff seemed to shoot fine, that Max Tech. Anyway guys, hopefully this is a little better for you.